Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, go and be sure to hit that subscribe button. My name's Evie, guys, and I'm going to change my channel to called Evie Orbs. So let's get into this video. Today we're playing Roblox. Now I think it would be good to play. Why don't we play Adopt Me? That's a game I personally love a lot. So Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and I think the first thing we're obviously gonna do is show you guys our pets, but we're not gonna show them from my inventory. We're going to show them from basically the board. No, from the board. Okay. So I think George is gonna join me. So
once Evie starts learning.
Yeah, so he's next to me now, guys. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, by the way, you will know me as Evie. You won't know me as Evie, but I know my other videos used to be rubbish, so I'm going to try to make sure this one's
not. Fixes on it possibly.
I don't know. Okay, so we're going to get into the video. So yeah, I have quite a lot of money, so I'm gonna just show you my place. So I kind of gave up with the rainbow pets because it got boring. So yeah, but if you look here, this is the rainbow category, so pretty boring. Okay, so guys, we're going to go upstairs. I kind of blocked that bit off. So we're going to go upstairs. So this is for the tropical people, and this is for the golden people. Now, basically the golden penguins and any legendary pets can go in here, or they can go in the rainbow thing down there. Any pets can go in the rainbow thing, and all the tropical pets can go in here. So let's open up the tropical. So you got a nice table, and then you got a TV, obviously, and then you got a sleeping thing, as well as 2 eating things, and then obviously I had to add chairs because those chairs are super cute. Now I know it's not that much, but I didn't really bother with them. I really like the colour of this one. I really like this yellow that I use for the chairs. I'm not a fan of the yellow for the table, but then I do really like this table. I don't know why. And then you got a TV. So that's basically this home, guys. Now I think what we're going to do is, so they enter through here, they pay 50 for 2 days of me taking care of their pets, so I invite them to the family, and obviously I have to work here, so it takes forever. But let's see my rating, because I throw parties. Oh, 11, that's not very good. Some people are on 64. Someone wants to trade me. No, because then I'll show you guys my pets, and I don't want to show you guys my pets. I did give one of my friends a dragon though, because she didn't have a dragon, so
but
you're welcome.
Give me it back later.
No. What was it? Nothing. But we are not going to show the pets
Yet.
Okay, so I think we're gonna go down here.
Wait for me,
guys. I need you to close your eyes for a second. Close your eyes. Trust me, you'll need to. I'm about to get out a car for us to drive. You know what? I'm not going to get out a car to drive, because you guys probably won't close your eyes. Yeah, I know. Cool. So let's go. Okay, so we're here. Yes. Okay. So you ready, guys? I nearly have all the pets. I need a blue dog. And George has a blue dog. Oh my god. It's annoying. I need a snow thing and an elephant. I need a flamingo, a horse, and a thing. And guys, look at my legendaries. So I've got all of these. I've got a dragon, golden penguin, griffin, parrot, and unicorn. And guys, I normally spend most of my time with my golden penguin, and most of my time with my griffin as it's full grown, and most of my time with my parrot, and a lot of time with my unicorn. And my dragon is I don't know what he is. He's junior.
Seen this?
This one's junior, but a lot.
Posting Evie, look. Look.
Oh, cool. Okay, so we're going to get out
Will you go
Ruby.
ride crocodile?
No. Okay, so let's go camping, guys. And really, George. Okay, time to go camping. Now, a little hack for this on how to go like camping really quickly is you teleport to the pet shop. So go to the pet shop and teleport there, and then go outside of it. And if you go across this river, you're literally right next to the pet shop, and you don't need to like drive there or anything. Not the pet shop, sorry guys. Camping. So you don't need to drive there or anything. Okay, so after this, I think we're going to create an outfit for all of our pets. So like one for our golden pets, like golden penguin. And let's just do.
Legendary.
Let's just do. How about we do Ruby and
Griffin.
How about Ruby and Donut today? So unicorn and you know.
Oh no.
It's not a lot, but it's fine. Okay, let's see what tricks you can do, or can you not do any tricks?
Evie.
Oh my gosh, you can't do any tricks. This pet's an idiot. I'm kidding, guys. Don't worry.
Give me a beaver and a dog mobile for a blue dog.
No.
I'm gonna see what else they give me if I show this.
Okay, so no way. Just looking at your screen. Sorry. Okay, so let's.
They're gonna accept it, alright.
Okay, so I don't really know what. Okay, we'll just accept it for now. Meow. We have this and this and this. I'm not trading Ruby. I literally have nearly all the pets, so like any pet that people want to trade me is really annoying because like something they don't want to trade me. Okay, let's get away Ruby and let's dress up. Ugh, no, I'm wrecked. It's annoying. I have a baby. George, really? You really had to add that hashtag. I want to see what this one is. You add weird things. Oh my god.
You did a rich dog.
Really?
You did rich dog.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
A robber. I'm a robber.
That's
Cool. Yeah, I like this one.
I'm coming.
No!
Evie.
I'm wrecked. Stop annoying me. Okay, so we're just gonna get her to stop annoying me because she's annoying.
I want that royal egg.
Okay. I want to change my name to something suspicious, so. Guys, my fake name for the channel, guys, I'm gonna make myself a fake name for the channel, and I think I like Darcy, but I don't know why, so I'm just going to name myself Darcy. Oh my god. Oops. Underscore YT. Guys. Thank you! Oh my gosh, I just got lemonade. How much lemonade do I even have? I have like a lot.
5.
Oh my god, I have a lot. Oh no, wait.
5.
Yay, I have water.
Hey Evie, I'm a crocodile.
I have a sandwich. Hey, leave me alone, Croco.
No.
Crocodile.
I'm running for you.
So guys, it's time to go up here. Are you ready? We are going up it. Now guys, I know a lot of people like this game called Tower Hell, so of course we're going to be playing it now.
Yeah.
Now, I personally love Tower of Hell. Like, you guys don't even know how much I love Tower of Hell. So we're going to do like half of our round, because like, why don't we actually go on row high and we're going to dress up, because like, who doesn't?
How about we do like we spin the wheel, do the fountain, and then
I've already spun the wheel, but I haven't done the fountain. So we'll do fountain, make an outfit, and then I think that's the end of this video. Guys. Just to let you guys know, we only have 15 minutes to record these videos, unless we pay for the things to record it for longer. But you know me, I can't be bothered on it, honestly, guys. Oh my god, what happened to my outfit? Oh my god, I need a skirt. That looks a lot better. Okay, my outfit's pretty cute actually though. So
mine is
okay,
like
so I don't really know what's going on, but it won't let me like turn my thing left, so we're just gonna have to like do this sometimes, guys. Let's just, you know, go down the end, guys. By the way, say if you like my outfit, because like I love it. You ready, guys?
Come back
ready?
here, Maya. I am eating.
Oh my god, really good. Okay, so I think we're gonna sit on a bench and do it. Really, George.
Yeah. Well, I'm there.
Please try again in 18, you evil. Okay, so let's just make an outfit then. Okay, so
yeah, I really need to get my outfit done.
What heels do you want to wear? I do really like the action booties, which I was just wearing, but these...
I'm just going for one because I think it's good luck.
Okay, so we'll just do that.
I'm spinning the wheel.
No way. I know. Of course we are going for the...
I got the chest.
Prescription glasses. Oh my god, you did not just do that. Wait, which chest did you do?
One.
Oh my god, he got those glasses. They're so cute. I've been trying to get them. Oh my gosh, when trading's out, I'm going to trade you something really good if you can get them. So I'm going to trade you. Do you not like them?
Well, not with this outfit.
They're girl glasses anyway, so.
Not with this outfit, I don't.
I kind of think just white would be pretty, but then like, why don't I just do grey? No, too grey. That's okay. That's cute. Okay. Okay, so I'm probably going to do this devil headband, those slays, girl. It slays. And then we're going to change our hairstyle, obviously. What about this? No. Interesting. Yes. No. Evil. Ew, I don't really like that one. Okay, so I think we're going to do... no. That's actually pretty cute. Yes. Okay, and then we're going to have this, and then we're going to do a mini skirt. So there we go, guys. Do we want to add any wings? Oh my god, we have barely any. No, we do not. Okay, so I know this outfit isn't that good, guys, but this is the end of the video, guys. Actually, I know what to do to make the outfit better. Guys, guess what? Take off these, and whoa, Evie had this great idea to put on her favourite heels after them on. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that like button if you like this video. Now, I'll see you guys on the next one. Also, guys, I don't know how to edit these videos very well, so if I do have to leave game and quit, then yeah. Bye, guys. Peace.